Good morning and happy day after Christmas. I'm down here at the Cove Marina. It's very windy by the beach, but I felt really called to make this video today. And it's something that I've been on my mind and something I've always worked on and been working on lately. I wanted to share it with you because I know it's going to help. I know it's going to help you if you take action on it. So I want to talk to you today about clarity on what you want, and I want to talk to you about values. And some people, that hear values, right away they get turned off, like, oh, family values or Christian right and all that other stuff. But that's not what I mean. What I mean is clarity on what you want. You cannot have clarity on what you want unless you know what your values are. So you can take out a piece of paper, and really you should take action here. Don't just put this in your mind, because what people do is they keep this stuff in their mind, and you have about 1,500 random thoughts per second in your mind. And while this might be the priority and in the forefront of your mind for the next hour or so, it'll be gone. So writing it down is a way, to keep track of your progress and to really work on what you want to work and get rid of those other 1,499 thoughts and focus on the thoughts that matter. So you might be saying, John, I already know what I want. I want that boat behind you. I want that beautiful boat right there. I want that car. I want whatever. I want to be healthy. I want to be out of the hospital. Yay, but they're going to get boggled up into those 1,499 other thoughts every second. But more importantly, do you really know what you want? And what you want, is it congruent with who you really are? Is it equal to who you really are? So ask yourself a series of questions. Here's a couple of great ones. What do I value most in blank? So you say, what do I value most in a friendship? And then write it down. I value loyalty. I value trust. I value companionship. What do you value most? So you say, what do I value most in my job? I value freedom. I value getting paid highly. I value a sense of contribution. What do I value most in a relationship? And you write it down. I value this. And now you can start to see, when you do things like get into a friendship and the other person's values aren't congruent to yours, it's not going to work. If one of your things is, I like to play it safe and stay around the house and enjoy a good newspaper, and the other person is, I've got to go, no matter what, it's really not going to work out. So know what your values are. Like people say, I want money. Why? What does the money give you? What's the end value? It gives me freedom. It gives me the ability to give. I like to care for other people. I like to contribute. It gives me the know that my family is safe. Those are values. Those are end values. When you know them, when you get congruent with them, now you can begin to go after them. Now you have clarity on your values. You have clarity on what you want. And when that happens, man, the world opens up. It's like God just says, that's what you really want. I'm going to give it to you. But if you don't know what you want, you're going to get what you don't want. It's like you're all over the place. Get clear on your values. Then you'll get clear on what you want. And now you can start to go towards those things. You can start to move towards them. You can start to remove relationships and friends and things that don't fit. Maybe you got to clean out that box. Listen, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. I hope you have a great New Year. I'm going to be leaving for Georgia on Wednesday, and I'll be there for a couple of weeks up in the mountains. I hope I get to make some great videos for you there, and for you, my family, what you're watching. And one little thing on the end here. Today I was walking down the beach, and I'm just walking, and I'm listening to a great new book. The guy says, hey. I stop, I pause, I go, yeah. He goes, I really don't know who you are, but I saw one of your posts on Facebook. Man, badass. Keep it going. So that does keep me going. And so for those of you that private messaged me about messages and that on the beach, that was something special, man. I mean, I don't even know this guy, how he found my post. He said it helped him in his life, and that's really what I get. That's what I dig. So have a great day, and again, Merry Christmas.